Oh, I know I've not been uploading in a while now because I got no content to film and I've been trying to work on that. So yeah, so basically we're not going to be working on this car or the blue car inside. We'll be working on this one actually. And when I say working on it, it's just nothing too much actually. Let me just set you guys first. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So what we're working on today is basically we're just gonna be doing a little bit of a detailing lah, and pretty much this I've chosen this car to detail is because this car is the longest car in our fleet, in our in our family. So as you can see, the light is all oxidized, the paint, clear coat, everything is dying off. But we're not going to be focusing on this. So we'll be focusing on this part mainly because this part has been affected really bad, which is the spoiler. And you can see that, let's focus on it. Yeah, so you can see as this part is really oxidized, like so badly. Let's see the difference in that. And for a moment I thought that we might need to repaint, and re-clear coat or send it to detailing to be, expensive, whatever. But I decided to check on YouTube first and found a video of, if you know this YouTuber called Chris Fix. He did a video on how to restore the faded paint on a car. And yeah, so what I did is I went to Mr. DIY and I bought this metallic wax. Well, the proper way that I've seen on YouTube is that you're supposed to use like compound, polish, and then wax. But I couldn't find any of that. I only found this metallic wax. I've been trying to look for it, and if you really want, you have to order it online, and I don't really like to order things online that much because it takes too damn long to get here. It might take even a week or two because so got the metallic wax, and I thought maybe just give it a try because I had a bottle of polish, and I think that sat too long and it's already turned to liquid like that. And I tried using that polish that I had on this spoiler. It didn't work out because it just became the same thing over again. And when I bought this, I tried a bit the other day so that this video don't turn out to be a disaster like the previous one. So I did try a bit over on this side. As you can see that it's a bit shinier. It's not that much, but you can see that it's shiny a bit. It deoxidized, or it brought back the shine back again. It's not that much, it's not that shiny as this side. This side is not affected, but you can see it's almost okay lah. Almost okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it first without wasting any time because it's damn hot and I'm lazy to bring the car in the house because I have to move one car out, I have to put one car in. If I move the other car out, I have to park somewhere else. And for now we're just going to be doing half of this spoiler or wing or whatever you want to call it, just to show you the difference before and after of it. Okay, so basically this wax you'll get is oh dear god, I forgot, I need to open this, which is going to be difficult. Oh god, I got a key. Okay, well, sorry about that. So this is a can, so make sure you have like a screwdriver and something to open it up, or not you're gonna be like me again, keep forgetting. So yeah, so as you can see, I've already used a bit for this side previously. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dip or dunk it in, rub it all, make sure you get a good amount, and then just keep wiping it off. Make sure to apply some pressure on it. Just put on some elbow grease. And you might want to do this like a few times, not just one time. If you have a polishing machine, the thing that'll be much more better. Just keep going in a circular motion. Just keep going in a circular motion. Just put a bit of a pressure in it. Sorry if you can't hear me talk because I'm already speaking as loud as I can, but you know, background noises and all that shit. Yeah. Get again, wipe it down. Also, I don't want my neighbors to look out the window and think I'm a weirdo talking to myself. And just keep on going. Do it as many layers as you want. And then once you're done, you can go like 2 or 3 times or 4 or 5 times. It depends on you. And then you just have to wait for it. Just give it like 1 minute or 40 seconds like that. Don't let it to be too dry because you're gonna have the stains on it as well. So once you're done, just wipe it off in circular motion. Yeah, forgot to tell you, make sure you use microfiber cloth. Well, it's a little less oxidized. I don't expect like great results, like, you know, like totally shiny, because this is just to bring the paint back to life just by a little bit. And if you really want it to be like really shiny, you have to get like those proper polishing stuff. And what you can do is you can just take the wax again and go another one more time. Just keep on going, and let's wipe it off again. Right, so we are done. And now my shoulder on the right side, shoulder kinda hurts, but it's okay. So we are done. As you can see, there is some improvement as well. It's not that much. Like I said, don't expect it to be like super shiny, because we're just using normal ordinary stuff, not those high-end type of polish which will, you know, bring back the paint to really back to life. So there is a bit of a shine, where else before it looked like this, like dead. Okay, so now after doing a couple of wipes, a couple of polishing and buffing, and yeah, I'm not sure in time lapse if you saw me using something else. Well, I tried to take out the old polish which I was talking about just now, the magic polish, and yeah, it's very watery, so I just put it on here and I just use my hand and wipe it out. You can use another cloth or sponge for that, And yeah, I mean, look at it. It looks fine. I mean, it's okay. Macam how is it presentable lah compared to that. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna continue the whole thing this side now, and it's so hot. You can see I'm sweating already. Like I should have parked the car inside lah, but I am lazy. That kind of lazy. As long the sun is not hitting the car, so it's better if you do this in a covered cool area, not right under the sun, because it will dry up and might mess it up. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put you guys on the time lapse again, and we'll continue with the other part of the polishing and show you the whole thing after once it's complete. Okay, so after sweating in the sun a lot, and you can see that we are done. And like I've mentioned earlier in the video, don't expect like 100% result on this, but this is just to to bring back a little bit of shine, to remove that ugly deoxidized paint thingy from your car paint. Doesn't matter where it is, spoiler, fender, body, doors, whatever. And yeah, so it's completed. I've already done the whole spoiler now. As you can see, there is a difference from before and after. Not much, still a bit of deoxidized, and it's still not that clear, but for this amount it's okay lah. You can find this at Mr. DIY. That is also at Mr. DIY, and I know in the time lapse you have seen me like apply that magic polish and use my hand to rub all over it. Well, that's my way of doing it lah. I know some of the guys that is very good in detailing, they're going to see and they're like that. I know, I know. Just calm down, okay? Well, so this is done for now, and yeah. Like I say, if you have the machine to polish and you know what you're doing, then it's good. But if you're like me, make sure you get the right stuff, get the right sponge, do your research first on YouTube or Google or whoever that you know that does detailing. If you don't want to have the part painted again, you don't want to take out a lot of money, you want to do it on a budget, you can get these things. But what I suggest from watching a few videos on YouTube is that you get a polishing compound or compound, then the polish, and then the wax. So those three things I think is the necessary one, because I watched a few videos on it. They are using those three, and specifically Maguire's that they are using. I don't know, I'm using Waxco and Magic 101 because Maguire's is damn expensive. I saw the polish, there was only one bottle of polish and it was like 70 ringgit. So I was like, nope, this is only like 10 ringgit or something like that. I'm not sure, I forgot. But yeah, that's a budget. I might be getting the Maguire's one next month, or see lah, whenever I get my pay, or if I want to do it, then we'll try again. Obviously I won't make another video. I know it's going to be boring, this video, so it's much boring already. Unfortunately my views are dropping. I don't know why. I do appreciate if you guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Because of the pandemic and MCO and all that, I can't really go to my friend's house to make content like building their cars, or doing a few accessories, DIY projects and all that. But some of my friends already bought new cars, and they are in progress of building it as well. One guy is in Seremban, one guy is in Ampang KL. So hopefully once I get my second dose, I can head over there and continue with the automotive review and all that shit. And yeah, I'm sweating. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe and have a good day.